volumizer? You get the power of a dryer and the volume of a styler for a bouncy, shiny, frizz-free blowout in up to half the time.
"22 million Americans suffer from sleep apnea, and 38,000 people die annually from heart disease directly complicated by sleep apnea." Looky Sleep Monitor, the top one brand in the US and Canada, was built to help fight sleep apnea. Its patented silicone ring design allows you to put it on any finger you like for the comfortable overnight sleep monitoring. It tracks blood oxygen saturation level, heart rate, and movement during your sleep. Professional high-resolution sensors collect your data in every 4 seconds to catch up any event. An adjustable and gentle vibration alarm on user's finger can be triggered when the blood oxygen level is lower than a presented threshold. It reminds the user to change sleep position to breathe well again. It's a safe net for CPAP failure or not using CPAP. Now, many people told us in product reviews, Looky Sleep Monitor saved their lives. You can use the free mobile app to find out what happened during your sleep. Get all data you need to know and share with your doctor or family. Looky Sleep Monitor comes with ring or wrist style. Get yours today.